Hi guys, this is a two-story house, 50 by 58 feet. On ground floor we have 1 BHK portion with parking, and in first floor we have 2 BHK portion. So in this two-story house we have staircase with elevator. So let's see the animation video. We have also animation video of this design two-story house, 50 by 58 feet. So if you have any plans, house plans, so please comment below. I'll share it on my YouTube channel. If you want any house plans, sections, elevations, drawing plans, interior designs, walkthroughs, animation, so please comment below. I'll share it on my channel. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends. So let's see the animation video. So this is the animation video. Please watch till the end how beautifully it is done, the design. So one of my friend told me that he want urgently two-story house elevation on two side. So I just designed this elevation. So if you want also, please comment below. If you have any open plot like 30 by 20, 20 by 40, 40 by 50, so please comment below. I'll design and I'll share it on my channel. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, comment below. So thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.